Okay, all of you, good afternoon. Now, it is said that in Nepal, there is Industrial Enterprise Act 2020, and this Industrial Act 2020 has classified the industry of Nepal into following types. Now, they are like this: energy-based industries, production-oriented industries, industries based on agriculture and forestry, mill industries, infrastructure industries, tourism industries, industries based on service, industries based on infrastructure, information technology and communications. So these are some industries, okay, which are established according to the Enterprise Act 2020. Now number one, energy based industries. Now it is said that there are also some industry in Nepal. Usually such a industry, they does the work of producing energy for the nations. Especially talking about what hydropower projects. Yeah, energy industry which is helps to produce energy for the nation, like mining of coal, and producing of different type of gases, or mining of different type of gases, which helps to provide energy for the nations. So such type of industry, they comes under this what? Energy based industries. Now production oriented industry means there are such type of industries which will have to produce goods and service, especially which will produce different type of product for the nations, which will produce different type of product which is required by the citizen of the nations. So this type of industry usually they are focused on producing goods and services. They are focused on producing required goods for the nations. And next, industries based on agriculture and forestry. Now industry based on agriculture and forestry means they are type of industry, which produce goods and services by using the raw material of agriculture and forestry. Means they use the raw material of agriculture, and they also use the raw material of what? Forest. Like you can take example of tobacco, jute industry, sugar industry, medicine industry, furniture industry. These are some whatever industries based on this one, agriculture and forestry. This type of industry, they use the raw material of agriculture sectors. Also, they also use what? Raw material of this one, forest. And next, mineral industry. Mineral industry means they are the industry, okay, which are present in the nations. Usually, their work is to extract minerals from the nations. The minerals which are deposited inside the nations, inside the soil of the nations. Those minerals should be extracted. Those minerals should be mined. To mine that minerals, for the utilization of such minerals. If this industry which are established, such type of industry are called what? Mineral industries. Now infrastructure industries. There are also some industries which are usually established for the infrastructure development of the nations. And different type of infrastructure, like for development of roads, for development of transportation and communications, building tunnels, canals, road, bridges, So different type of infrastructure with the continent, like building, hospital, college, school. So such type of infrastructure with the country need. So to establish such type of infrastructure, if the country builds if certain industry, they all are called what? Infrastructure industries. Now tourism industry. Tourism industry means such type of industry which is usually established to facilitate for the development of tourism in the nations. This type of industry usually they establish to increase the number of tourists in the nation, or to facilitate or to provide better hospitality for the tourists, like different type of hotels, different type of tourist guides, like different type of travel agencies, different type of restaurants, different type of foods items produced by the hotels. So like different type of entertainment activities, like rafting, trekking, this type of activities which are done, or industries do such type of activities, they all come under this what? Tourism industry. They are established in the nations to increase the number of tourism in the tourists in the nations, and to develop the tourism industry, because tourism industry is very big industry. It is one of the good source of income for the nations. So it's very important that tourism industry should be well developed. Now industry related to development of communications, information and technology, There are also some industries which are usually established in the nations for the development of communication systems, for the development of information systems, for the development of technology. Because at present, according to the need of times, we have to hire advanced technology. We have to use modern technology. For that also advanced for the industries are there. Now, service-oriented industries also there. There are some industries which are usually established to provide service for the publics. So these are the industries which are established, according to this one, Industrial Enterprise Act 2020. Okay, thank you for today. This was for today, all of you.